Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can search for any word or value across all your sheets or tabs in Google Sheets. If you've ever had that moment where you just can't remember which tab you put some important info in, maybe you have tons of tabs and searching through each one sounds like a nightmare, this quick trick is going to save you so much time and headache. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to instantly track down anything, no matter where it's hiding in your spreadsheet. Alright, let's jump right in. The easiest way to start a search is to use a built-in keyboard shortcut. So first things first, with your Google Sheet open, simply press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, it'll be Command+Shift+H. You can also get to the same place by clicking on Edit up in the menu and then selecting Find and Replace. Both methods end up in the same place, but that shortcut is super handy, especially if you find yourself searching often. Now, once that Find and Replace window pops up, you'll see a few options. At the very top, there's a field labeled Find. This is where you'll type in the word or phrase you're hunting for. For example, let's say you're looking for all the places you mentioned laptops in your records. Just type laptops right into that box. Next, here's the crucial part a lot of people miss. By default, this tool is only set to search through the current sheet, the one you're looking at right now. But if your data is scattered across many tabs, you need it to check all of them. So look for the drop-down or the selection that says Search. Click on that, and from the list, choose All Sheets. This tells Google Sheets that you don't just want to search here, you want to cast a much wider net and check every tab in the entire project. Trust me, if you skip this, you'll probably end up missing some info. Once you've got your word typed in and you've made sure you're searching across all sheets, go ahead and hit the Find button right below. Google Sheets will get to work and start highlighting the first instance it finds of your search term, even if it's buried in a completely different tab. If there are multiple occurrences, you can keep clicking Find over and over and it'll jump to the next spot each time. This part might take a moment or two if your sheet is really big, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. What's great is that this tool doesn't just show you the cell with your word, it'll actually switch tabs for you if your search jumps to a different sheet. It's almost like having a personal assistant that knows exactly where everything is, no matter how chaotic your spreadsheet has gotten. When you found what you're looking for, or if you just want to finish for now, just click Done at the bottom of that window. That closes out the tool and brings you right back to your sheet, exactly where you left off. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly search for anything across every tab in your Google Sheet, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Google Sheets tips, just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. Be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.